step into the world of discovery as we unveil the enigmatic, strange statues found by archaeologists. Today, our focus turns to captivating sculptures, each portraying the essence of femininity, nude, unearthed from the layers of time and history. Beneath the earth, forgotten by the passage of ages, these statues emerge as silent witnesses to a distant past. Crafted by ancient hands, each nude woman sculpted in stone is a testament to the enduring power of art and the timeless allure of the female form. Join us on this archaeological journey where every excavation is a step back in time. The strange statues we encounter are not mere artifacts. They are echoes of cultures long gone, offering a glimpse into the aesthetics and ideals that shaped our ancestors. Behold the breathtaking beauty etched into these archaeological wonders. Delicate curves, intricate details. The craftsmanship is a testament to the skill and dedication of those who sculpted these timeless treasures. Beyond their archaeological significance, these statues are revered works of art. In just over a minute, we've brushed the surface of the mesmerizing world of strange statues found by archaeologists. Join the conversation on these incredible works of art that stand as silent storytellers of our shared human history. Subscribe for more insights into the hidden wonders that make our world extraordinary. As we conclude this journey, let the beauty of these statues inspire a deeper appreciation for the artistry that transcends time. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the treasures that make our world extraordinary.